kublai bibaro. Ni pedang supai bi syakane katuk kubor jengi upet nor cable news. Hashwa bangine kemi ki kubor kebabnya ane kejan miet ngene Hashwa syakimat bakongsan jago kubor mentah ketayo. Kerpat Menteri Rang Bak Kejelai kesengsan pertai ban berkat biang menekim meta hago all party meeting halor kelempiran. Penperak seng halang bat dipat bak kiyen dekat KBN daki karbi. Mi jendat ke MDC berpersyajar kejing tutup langnya ke supplementary demand hakamang tengkang. Perangut di Basyakem halau kejincak penyap Uraja Raguvanshi. Adu Sputnik Agency IY Tok bat Artlik Agency ke IY Kali jangkiru Shimet yakinong jengok kai pelai. Da kejing kemen bat jingsong sarong lak yang buram ya kasamna refiners warjeri ke bakiau syakliar ulum Everest. Bat Live kendai keluar tam sama Menteri Rang Bak Sugar Sports Association ban penkreat na kebentakan National Games Arhajar Apunyo. Menteri Rang Bak Kejelam Meghalaya Konrad Kongkal Sangma. Haga simba arjung katayo ula kuntui sengsan pertai kibadan haga liang persyak bakin perkat biang ya karai kabaki lasyem bat banwane syem bentalang haga all party committee benekran halau kejing temu ban penteri kam ya ka lentirel hari lom kasi bat jantia. Habai keren begilat patai kubor Menteri Rang Bak Kejelau Konrad Kongkal Sangma ulaong boleh ki jing snow ke belong persyak nagi katto kani ki sengsan pertai ya kamat kebede bagajing temu ban penteri kam ya kalentiral harilom kasih bajantia kumta kim shimla penyat statue ekne kam nreila daki menjur ne kim menjuru dan kam meneshong perkat ban ai gejing mut hakam miet jong gejing yalang Menteri Rang Bak ula banjur gejing kongsan ban don gejing yakren bat kelenti hakam senchar pat ba hakaman wat kelenti ban ya cekmat bat klam dan kelenti kebayat kat kum gejing senchar pat ba hakabayde ba gane kamat katu kani kisengsan pertai keladak banrai bakin omeshim bentah hakane. Ya kaba usngau bahaka kam sencar pat ba kani kolong kekerwo ke babah kelas bun. Konrad Kongkal Sangmau lekentu kisengsan pertai ki bahak liang perca ban perkat biang ya karai ke bagi lasyem. Bat banwane syem bentah ke jingalang jong barok kisengsan pertai.
Yeah, we got some negative message response from certain political parties, so we were slightly not moving forward because we'd like to see everybody on the board. It's an important issue. My point is that whether you agree or don't agree, at least we sit and we talk and put our thoughts and ideas on the table. And without having a proper democratic process in this whole thing, some political parties have decided not to participate in this, which I feel is democratically a very, very wrong message. As I said, whether you agree or disagree, I think the platform is being provided. We should sit and put our heads together, and we may all disagree to it, or we may all agree to it, or at least the facts will come out on what the challenges are, and hopefully maybe we'll find a way forward. So I'm hoping that the parties will reconsider their stand, and then we will decide on the dates. And if that doesn't happen, then very soon we will finalize the dates.
Hakabayde bagajingwan kejelas atrai do hakajingi okerdan ka performance grade index PGI hakapuli putih. Konrad Kongkal Sangma uloong bau syem kejing ai kerdan ke PGI kum kelenti ke babiang ba. Bat kene kana ai mensia me kejela bahkan yai trish tom syok hagaban penjenai ke kampuli putih. Uloong ba kapuli putih kedai ke berjerubit jerwat ba bat kanu ke kam ne kerai bagi syem kejing ketak jogi ni kirai bikin terekam dan iu so kan simpor degi senam ba kin ompau daki berai. Mereka simpor degi senam uloong. Menteri Rang Bak ulakular bagajela kan omsyong klikti. Mereka ni biteng bantri stom hagaban penjenai ke kampuli putih bat bantri kambah syusyu nang ni syakaman.
In economics, as they call them, very sticky issues. Education is a very, very sticky issue, and whatever processes or decisions we make, the impact of those decisions to come into effect or see the result of it takes years, if not months. So therefore, I still maintain my stand that the reform process is on. We are seeing the differences, we are seeing the changes, we are seeing improvements taking place. But for that improvement to then reflect into the PGI, the index that is there, is going to take time. We cannot expect. Like for example, we went into the CBSE, the books for certain subjects. Those marks for that and the reflection of those in terms of the higher PGI marks that we should get will come in now, and then maybe that will add to a bit of improvement in our PGI ratings that are there. So these are very, very complex matters, And I'm totally agreeable that yes, we are very disappointed that we know we are not able to increase our ranking. But I can tell you one thing: it's not that we are giving up in any way. This is a big challenge for us, and I can assure you that we will, with these kind of reports are coming in, it just makes us want to work even harder, and we will continue to work hard to ensure that we will turn this around. And I'm very confident that with the team that's working right now, with the kind of results we are seeing, the interventions that we're doing, in spite of the massive challenges that are there, these results will improve. We will do better. Like sports, it took us a lot of time, but we're seeing this moving in the right direction. Like in the areas of tourism also, we're seeing things moving in the right direction. Like in the areas of health, we're seeing things moving in the right direction. Like in the areas of entrepreneurship, we're seeing things move in the right direction. I'm sure education also. It'll take a bit more time, but I'm sure that we'll get results.
Ha kabayde bagajing benmi ke sarkar jongkari Amerika bagajala Meghalaya kamlong kebasingan kinong jong okai perthai. Nagaliang Konrad Kongkal Sangma uloong buon sele ikendo yo ambassador ni unong kitin siem kari Amerika ban pensyai bagajala Meghalaya kalong kebasingan. Bat ban kerpat ban penkelano ekene kejing betha namar kalong babakla shibon. Bal penuan ni kedor kebamiha persya ekajala Meghalaya. Uloong basyan uli ikendo ya kihe aha katanat ki kambari. Bat ya katanat Home Affairs ban pentip syapang kejing penmi kari Amerika yakum kene kejing betha kebalong kababakla shibon. Kajingnya kenat kalami hak senong lapangap kabahap ke distrik West Jante Hills. Hapedeng kipat kasih penar bat ki karbi hak kasih balang jaga tayo. Kabela penlong senon ki pulet ke asam ban siat de tiar gas ne air pensat kemat. Ban tem kipat ba kibela ban penprai ki yeng kibela taibian de kipat karbi halum pentor kabahap ke senong lapangap. Aga arpusan trek jeliau arajar arpusan kajing kenat kelemi ekasnong lapangap kabahap ke distrik West Jante Hills hapedeng kipat kasih penar bat ki karbi. Ha kabal kena bagi karbi kelawan kentur puat halum pentor kabahap ekasnong lapangap. Lekena bagi pat karbi kelawan ban snayi yang honu ulum hak ni ar laisni kibalalej klem kajing ajing bet nak darbar snong lapangap. Halo kini kejing wale don board jeng kipat karbi ni kaliang kakasi Students Union bat ke FKJJP West Jante Hills kila hiar shala pengap bat upat ba kila penprai kini kiyeng geblas nabean bat kila jenrat ru ya kejing thong jeng tep honu ulum. Itu ru bagi pulet ke asam kilawan mantuklar kini kejing ja bat kila siap bagi tiar gas ni kila air pensat kemat ya kipat ba bikin pet na kini kejaga. Hadin balami kani kuhuri hura di Majestor na kejala Meghalaya keluan poisya kani kejaka bantek lakam ban yok ban pene ke syong suk syong san bat ban kemi ke jinglong jingman jong kani ngatan.
Don't talk me with
Tapat karmi halali karta deh ho. Alu bahar kar.
You are a police person, sir, please. We are here.
Wan nang ne balai jing sam ya kasih nama pengap rumah kabanta kini kejinguan bentuk put jom kasam bat kilawan kini kepu hanya put sam ya kasih nama pengap bende kepu sam buadang hap wan bersina be anj kini kejakan manusia ni nang ne kata mau bang bang yok ban yai kali nakam suk nang kini kejaka kum di pradok prasnam kum kerja try di jaka jum di try bulu andre mentah pada kilawan bentur syaduk sing ke jaka maka benta ban kap tray ke jaka dai nak yang jongi ngilawan bertemi dak kabor rakat di tray sinong ngila jenrat iki niki cingkum jiktet ngila jenrat iki niki iyeng kisam gi bagi snabe ain ada kecukupor kadon ru kajing yalle menne mestep ahaswa bengin poeng naik gila siap lagi tergas dai nak yang jongi iklem kan randen abang iwan nang ne ban yakun dalile nginom kan randen hadu bengin yo nak jigijok ai bang ngin kelon yap ang ne ai bekas nam kan play ndrai kajaka kebuta kadai bangsa kakendau ke siap kadai bangsa kum try muluk nak kaliang PSU ka pak keruak ka besai ya ka sarkar dan nak melaban penbajum ya kena kejing ya kena dang ne ya ajia ba kuai ka singi kan puai kejing ya kena shadow put bangiro kum kajai benreu ngiram syok klikting ina mino Pangin lek lah kajong kamram nak benta pansingan kari ban kajai benre ko jungi nak liang pesio dak ruwa ka besai dalai ingin nabi banyak di produk persman jungi niwan nang ne nak benta bania challenge bania penibur handrai ba nak liang ki pulit asam kita ki kaput ki siap ki kuli ki siap ki tergas man penting ni handrai nak liang jungi ni nam teng ai bangin kelan ai bekas nang ban play madan kamsim yale kanam du wala kamet jungi kan yam mereka mesem jungi kan em nama taman yale nama tak ribet kajai benre ko jungi
Menteri Kesarkar Meghalaya beri nong aiktian Kesarkar MDA2 ba poleng do. Ulitho bagi pulat kejela kila poi shala pangap na gebenta ban pentikena ba ka syongsok syongsan kendon hapne ginong syongsnong kala pangap ba ka district West Janja Hills. Hadim balami geje kan at akan kesni. Bahlor kene kamat Menteri Ulang Ban Sia Kendo badu sembut Menteri Rangba ubari Menteri ka tenat pulat uba Preston Tensong banyo ekjing tiap ka bakam benya halor kene kejingja. Habakran halor kejing penya cekmat ekjing penbej upud usam uba poleng do ulong. Bahagi ni singi kebalalet keladon kejing elang balakot chairman ke regional committee kebelai banekran lor kimat payadai ba kerja kakap puat. Bahlor kejing mi nak kene kejing elang la banyak kejing tiap ko banyak no chairman jaga regional committee karilum jantia. Uba poleng do ulong ru ba kumbakiatip bagi dan santli kisnong ki ba kejela bat ka asam kira dak men penbej upud usam. Bahlor kane Kian sapen menah kakat santerik unailar arzar arpusan nasion kini kesini ulang bantrish tom menlak ban penbet ya kini di sektor hukum jo. Laban kedau hang ne bahak arpusan terik ujeliau arzar arpusan ginong syong kisnong lapangap kemudian nakatan kap puat gejala Meghalaya bat asam. Rengkat gajing dan lang bagi sang palang jangan nakatan kilalet ban penjulor gilai teligi yang bat kidiang ke balawan bantong dagi pat karbi hakane kejaka kabahap ha Meghalaya. Kani kejaka kadai kabahap apo kajing kajaput apdeng ke asam bat Meghalaya. Hau kaba naruk kesenam arajar arpulai lapen bet bagi nang syong gejala Meghalaya lan gejala asam kimdai ban penan kami kene kejaka ka barang yat kajing keren ban penbet uput usam. Ndrai ha kishpo trik ujeliau nakaliang ki karbi kelawan hang kene kejaka bat kilasna ki yang bakila tungru iki diang ha kene kejaka. Bagani kejing le jugi pat karbi kela penbitar ginong syong ka Meghalaya. Pada kene kesini kela mi pat ba ban pen pra ki yang bat kijing thong jing tap bala thong daki karbi.
Yang iga jesu sing ito wad khut sing dor ba chnong la pangap nei bentau lai pat ba ben pra ya gini ga awu ni de bentau chnai karbi de bentau thung ke pam ni ga thau nang ba pu chulo dan liang i jesu ning sini depan ni wo yerap to ki sing la pangap pangap ora bri nya ter kamju le ye ki dor ba chnong halang go pher dan ni sini man lo sini ko sa jing mo ba liang yo i pat ba ba yin pra ni thau ko wa ini jadi sekian man lo ketahu kuah man sensitif dan liang yang baik mereka kecil kali jadi perang kamu man ini kesini dengan man lo liang yang karbi lo man go mesti sih ni bentau up ki jaga second phase ni bentau go men baju kurang to aja sikit ulang kam cuau kurang ini man go mesti sih karbi untuk aman ki wiya cha to le bol nuan liang yang baik kecil dari senjam kecil teli brok ko bin lo sim halang bidal barchno baik beri nyatra kam jo le belum jantia brok wi Muslim beri jantia ya.
Kajantia Joint Action Committee Border Issue haka arpunyo trik jeliau arhajar arpusan. Kalawan menikendo isumbut Menteri Rangba kejelau ba Preston Tensong uba kemiru ketenat Home Police Bandawa Banbo yaki puliat SF10 haka senong lapangap haka district West Janja Hills. Laban kedau hang ni ba senong lapangap sajisian kalamat biang ya ka jingbam syongsok. Hadian ba kipat karbi kelepen Kenya ke status quo badlet bantong diang yang kijaka kibahap kejela Meghalaya. Kabalami ipat kajinya kada hadian ba kinong syong ke lapangap kilalit ban phut yaki diang badlet thong da ki karbi. Habakran kilat patai kubor uba e lepon u presiden kasenjok wahyak chenong ulong ba kasnong lapangap kedon kam yagi bor pahara namarkan kejing syak tombor berbor hakipat karbi kawan ra kejing syong sir hapadang kinong syong shnong. Ulitho baga balaja ke arpusan terik ujeliau kadena kejing penken ki karbi kejing ete status quo. Bat kila kentur puat ke bami ipat kejing bitar nagi trashnong badat ban penprai kejing thong ke balatong da kipat karbi. Ulitho ru bagi nong shnong ke lapangap ke jumat kejing e na kejing sya pentot haka karbi Anglong Autonomous Council kamtam Haba kilet rap da ka bakadawru ya kajing lek siliang jong ki pulet Asam da ka bakershan ki katokane ki kenhuan benriau Karbi bat kani kelawan ra kajing bam singan ha pedeng ki jat benriau Penar ki basyong basa ala pangap bat ki jaka ki bamarjan.
Amaria ka ay kabalajia ha katukusngi ar posanterik hangtei hapo lapangap ya ka ba ki briu jong ki Karbi kelawan ban lekbor ban tombor da ki biwan ban pha ki briu jong ki ban tungding bat ha din kata bagi briu jong ka sinong rekat bat ki i paiba jong ka rijentia ki balawan ban pej ban sakhi yang i baka don sisa kata ka jing lekbor dan ka encouragement ki jakak badai hok da ka chiliang mentang elaka bat kumjo da ka dor bar jong ka lapangap te ha ka jong ka por na kaliang jong i kum ki briu to ka por kila don ha ka jimbun jong paiba li yulum lang hangtai kila don ya ka ta ka jing jenrat hoj ya kita gideng bat gimi kensan ki briu jong ka Asam ki badai ki polis Asam rekat bat ki briu jong ka KAC rekat bat ki briu jong ki Karbi ki bawan ban siat tirkas ban siat suloi selor bat ban siat ki rover bullet ro ya don ki member jongi ki bala dai nagi terpeng bat komta terter ti kalong ka ai ki bangi ngausi na lor ba ka sarkar bat ki bor jong ka distrik ki la pha ki briu jong ki bakin ya kren ya ka jing ya penbej boro arliang ka bamut bat ka sarkar Asam lani na po ka West Karbi Anglong bat na ka West Jentia Hills ya boro ar ngot ki DC bat kumjo bagi briu jong ka sarkar jong ki te nrai kimburam namar bala dep impose ro ya ka status quo nrai ki wan na ka banta ban penkeng hoi ki ngi la tip dei ki jaka ki pengi ha hi ban ye penbei tikana om ban ngin ngai ya tau imaginary line lani utau Google Maps ya line bakila mudur maki Rai namar kat pampat don hi ka recommendation boro artoli ki state ka ngiro ngin habat hi la ka jong ka khendau ngin bat triang la ka jong ka khendau namar ba ka ha pa ka jing pejing jing sinchar jong ka sinong te ha to ka por long ki briu jangi ki jenjar ba mala ka por bon sen begini ki Karbi ki wan ban tukular ki wan pan penwit pentut pan wanra ki jing ma la ni ki wanra ki jing punjulor kum hakani ke por badai ki sowing period bat kum jo ke por harvesting period ani ke por thung bat ke por ot yo kuba namar ngi ginong rep hangtai gidang bun ba ginong rep kum ba 30% ai ginong rep bar gitu ge dei lengkha la jong tele de myo ban rep he lengkha la jong ha ai ngin lai rep bar dia utu lom ru be thung ding bala le thombo ka Asam ubangi thung yo kuba lom hangto namar bagi bon ginong rep nak penta ka jak po jong ki te nakata ka daw mangiwan men ne hang ne ngiwan bu ya kanika jingkerpat dan nika petition caka sarkar ba kanyerap ban pha kloi ban le kat bala le si haduk menta la shai le chisngi begin set up ya ka temporary camp hangte namar bagi briu jong ka force dan niki pulit na po ka jela miklia jongi kin yo ban shong ban sa ha ka tu hi ka jaka ha ka tu hi ka lom namar ba ban yo ban pej ban i ya ka tu ka jaka bagin singai ban yaj ban yeng ginong rep jongi hoi idang don sisa ki jaka ki bahab bantung biang yo kuba namar ba ngidang ap ya ka le se kan ki por ba ki don ki por ki ba jenjar ba ki kimpat don ki proper irrigation canal tingidang ap ya ka slap na lor te na kata kadaw ngin hapan pendep ikitu temantang ngim not show na do bejia ka tu ba ka step jong ka ar pendru terik ro Mantau benai ngila yo ya ka report na irang ba snong bala don biang ka jing thang ya kita ki trap le ni ki jing trap ki ba ki nong rep ki bu ki jaka jong ki la don ro ka jing julor hangta pada don ro ka jing temu jong Karbi pan penduk pendam siau kuba uba ki la thung lepa ten na kata kadaw ngi wan ban kerpat mene te ngi sngau burom sikat de ya ba I deputy chief minister ba don burom jangi iba Preston Tensong ila kular ban le kat bala ban pen klo ye kani ban nakaliang ka sarkar hiro bai ong ba in penbor ban ngin yele ye kani na ka banta ban bu lang hang tu bakala ban long ka adjacent kam bat ka Asam khnang bagi briu jong i kan singai long ban yada ye tu namar ka tu kan ha kata ka benta ka badai ka different place le ne ka jaka ka ban kin ha ban ye penben namar ba kan long ka safety ya ka life jong i briu ki badon hang tu
But hat was ni kumba la report sini lembau chairman ni ba kadon gajing penungkam daki kitim ki ba le si ki bami ha ki nang salang daki pai Karbi kadon gajing ko ma nang yang gajong ki kadon gajing set jiri yang joki bat kerbau kadon gajing set tergasu na kalian ki pulut Asam but harin katu ka ba kham si ba kalong ba ka development ada data ka ba la penwan ra ka jing ka kham khara gajing ma ba kham khara lalu menin hak tu kan jo area ka ba la jia ka tu jingjia la pun ba ki pula sam ki bal awal ki tu tu ka kumbalong tang mo bahkan ni ki area la don be ki ki pula asam la bun ba ki la ke kerkut itu ka jaka komadi apo ka jung punya jung sino lapangan ban kadang dulu ka jung thu ban sinai ka kan ko bapa dan kalian ka jung ni lembah ka city pada ngila kerpat kirki ya usiam banukong ban pha ya ki pulit jom ka behanya khambun sagati ka jaka la ka long da ki SFN ru khambun kanang ba ki pat ba jung kin singai kumba kalong menta ka jung don ka jung bun pai jung ki asam bakti ka pen singir mensin ni kinong soslo di jung isati terkadau don kam ya ki Azaka sorka ka jung ba pa mano budwut ya ki pulit megalya ban lecture jaka ban don ban singai ban penting kenapa kalau ka jinjia ka sosi dan kalau ka jinjia ka ba bam sutuna bat ni la pau ba ka kam ka ba ki kulit ba hal yang mutabi dan ka kham jingai ka ka jaga ka ba jia ka jinjia ba lada don ka jia ka jinjia ka sosi ka da poi ki kulit jungi sathi kan poi arpo sang minen te lesi ka por kan dir balat te khang ban lai kita kalau ka preparedness kendian ban yada ki beli ki jungi ngilak kepat kata poi mulukong ban wanra suaya ka ki pulit jongi makin lecate kabar pada immediately yang ba ki pulit asam kim dei ban yo lat ban sina kan tu da lei du kim dei ban yo lat ban sina ka khatam sipai ke jongi khatam pulit ke jongi yang ke normal lada gila ban le kata katu kin clean yo ka jaga jongi ban kanlong ka jik setting ban yaki benar ke jongi ban cete kata ka bar berkabar pada ngila bawah yo ka di situ bahaka la don ke kedua ka DCSP level labun tali ngi kampus sio wat hadin ka meeting ka khandai ka dei ba lo ka level DCSP kini ki na kanyang juga sa ke aggressive ke thong ita ki dia ka ba penting ka solution jom to ka meeting ka khandai ka dei apa pa ba meeting DCSP kampus sio ta kana na kalian ngajung ni ai cuma request ya siang membakan dan da level siang ban lecture to ka cakap kana ngam tawe ban pendek yang kasih usul selesai ban penting kena bakal undang ke jinjia ke solusi nak kalian haka nak kalian di asam ban kata ya ka jinjia melani ka song sukcong sai pada jo kinong song ki jongi bahasa ang ke po ka sinong lapang apa
Ka Dorbar Lior jong ka Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council kala sedang hak sibaar Ndrei habaka Executive Committee kalawan rakyat kamang tengka ke Bapura jong ka senam arajar arpusan arajar arpunrio KMDC kebetulan yang persyak kelemi jendat nak yang dorbar bat persyak jor halo kejeng ketop lang ya ka supplementary demand hak yang kemang tengka bat kilo ong bagade KKA kaba semlayat kat kumki kendon ha kani ke dorbar liur jong ka KHDC u executive member bakmi ya ketrat platengka ba saibor lang warba ulawan ra kamang tengka ke Bapura balamang arpu arajar news pasan kulai klur hak dorbar Ndrei unang ilam kaliang persya ba titas Starwell Khan ula persya alor kejeng top lang yaki supplementary demand ha kemang tengka bagade KKA ke ba omlak ban pediang satya KMDC kaliang persya kelami jendat nok nagi yang dorbar halor kejeng bamhoni kejubab halor kejengwan ra ke executive committee kebelayalam da keseng VPP ya kamang tengka ke Bapura ke belakang top lang ya ke supplementary demand Hadin kaniau chairman jangka council uba strong pela karjana ula pensengian oswai ke dorbar bat penmena ban pelong biang no akopor kumba arbeji. Kumta hadin belas sedang biang ya ke dorbar na kaliang u executive member bakmi ya ketenat pelatengka ula wan ra biang ya kemang tengka ke bau ula pensyairu ya kedau ba kilarai ban wan ra ke kemang tengka. Ndrei KMDC kaliang persya kim sngoyahab ke negara komle. Bat kelami jendat no nagi yang dorbar bat penpau bagajingle jangka executive committee kalong kebabian. Bat kajing memler kedukam perikam jangan ke executive committee ke pemerintah.
Kadau hi kebakongsan ke bangia walk out no mentana ka yang dorbar baru ki MDC jong kalian yete kadau kebakongsan ni kalong kumba play haka first session kabamut haka kelas step hagaba nakaliang gajungi nakaliang jonga kamtam kom LU bat kom ju kongres bat bro ki member kebangi PNI ya kajing bombiang jong kani ka budget book shwa ba UEM in charge on table ya ka budget apo ka house kom bajulong ka kom kena kaliang kajungi ngilalap ba hakani ka budget book hakaba ki don kini ki head ki sub head ki paper ki pan ya kajing mang pisah nakabanta ka senam arjar absan rio haka grand number 1 jong ka JD kalapau ka we ka subhead ka bakiong ka supplementary expenditure 24-25 kabalong shikrur pralak laifu arhajar plus pak propo bat kumjuru haga grand number 6 kabadai jong ka legislative haga niru kalami ka jui ka kentien kabaong supplementary expenditure 24-25 kemudian arteli ki supplementary expenditure ki reflect haga ni ka budget book kai kini ka budget book kani ka budget book kadai ka detail estimate kaba kajing pan pisa jong ka isi kalong ba hang nila reflect hang no don kam ya kani ka pisa haki ki heads haki ki sub head nakabanta ka jinglot ka bakumno ban siu tulop yano yau a ne yau b yau c ka reflect lot hang ni tenoi ka balengo kalong ba kumno kani ka supplementary expenditure ka reflect hang ni ngalarwis ya ka objection ka jonga ka point of order da ka banga kedew ya ka article ya ka rule 111 ka rule 111 ka ong syai ba any supplementary expenditure lani additional amount lani supplementary demand kadai ban wan hakadur hapo house hadin bangil apa siwa ya ka budget kani ka full budget ong no menta kadai jong u arhusan kabala mo ngan keren ni kepala timenta haka isi ke bamenswa kiwanra SD kiwanra kata ka supplementary demand lani ka supplementary expenditure haka ba kidon kam pisasyo takadaw kiwanra house ka approve kabamot katu ka supplementary demand jong ka arsausan kalakun ladat pelut na benta arsausan tika ka kamram jong ni isi pat kalong banpej ya kani ka arhusan arhunrir ti hau punai match kini kani ka isi ka kamanra ia kani ka full budget kawara ka board of account kabalungo kalong bahaka ni ka board of account ka hamdan kani ka supplementary jong arsa namar ko mga om ni house kani ka supplementary arsa kala ayak te kalakut lada pelut kani bisa kabamut mentang ingin pan pisabyang nakabentaw arsa na real te haka porba ki kani ka isi ka shimki ya kani ka isi ka hamanra ka full budget ora ka board of accounts ti menit haka board of account kila ada include ya kani ka amount kabakiwan ra abiyang menta supplementary expenditure arsausan kila ada include haka board of accounts nakabenta ki jingmang ki paper kabadai bat kutulop jong kinong tray te haba pila regularize haka board of account kumno menta pi perung biang ni menai iam iong ba ngidang shu ngiwan ra atau por ngi kampoi perkhat ngi kang kemi benya atau kata kalah mo ban piliang pibat ikashuki pidai WEM jang finance pidai CEM pidai ke isi pila mo banlong so irresponsible ban jai kum kata ka juba po aw kani ka pen ilong bakimpat tibet ka pen i bakilong bakimpat long fit ban run ban govern lani ban sinsyar hangi po de council kaba habang ala ai jimut menne ba wenno e kani lani ban rectify e kani ka banga kadaw mentan supplementary expenditure balai namar ha kamin budget umla ban penrungi ketir supplementary demands cannot be inside the main budget judon practice hang no lagalong ha ka state budget lagalong ka parliamentary budget kamut ka supplement ka supplement kamut additional amount ka rule 111 ka allowed dia kata ba pinwan ra da kata tinre ka balengo kalong ba UEM mentan wat hadin bau Sherman ngasoban ai kuble yu Sherman bola sngap ya kejing keren kejungi kejing dawa jungi la adjon ya ka house perhat kadika history kadika sin ka baningkong ban create history la kalong ha district council lani 4 juja ki wiki assembly lani ki state council ban ong ba hapor ba presiden ka budget hab adjon ka house first time kani ka pen ka peni ke jing bombet peni jing bombeang peni ke jing duna mo tina ta kadang ngi ong wat laka tar ngi ong to ratify te wan ra ngin ab yang hadin ka arbaji le ka balengo anda wan arbaji ki pen hitriang ka jo Bat habang aku dia ke rule ki ong ba penban hanam don rule ka bakang. Mereka don ka rule pat ka balak kedau te. Ka 111 kala kedau syai ba ka supplementary expenditure di banon ra hadin tu bi pacha. Tiga pat ka rule ban khang pat katahi kamut balak khang. Ba himla ban ra ka supplementary habo kami budget. Na ta kadau ba namar baka budget kalong ineffective, kalong unconstitutional, ka bampat julek menu-menu na ta kadau na kalian kujungi persya bat ngim kwa bani shimata hakini kasi hapor be introduce yakini ka budget. Kita kadi ka stand kujungi ka balong very clear. Pila abandon ka jingmut ka bari. Pila abandon ka ega shalandat jong kani. Henry what break the rule. Lihat dah kajing start ke jong pi. Kata ka syong kajing start pi. Pi so mene house ki ong ba bang ibu ya kani ngisutu ba kani ka amount kani ka tulop jong kitu kinong tri ki ba sya be ba kani. Kani ka kam ka don hapo akut. Ka kes hakut kadai ya ka appointment jong ki ka ba ki terminate ya ka appointment ka jong ki. Kam dan jing adai ba ka budget. Ya ka budget di ban mang. Mentah pihak siu tulop iki namar ba ka kut kala reinstate iki. Kila yo biang ban join pihak siu tulop ni ubanai jun. Kat jong kajing start jong ki kan. Kum nu ban include ya kata tulop jong ki. Mdei ban wan ra ini gentin supplementary 24-25. Kani kabang ya kan mentah kadi 25-26 te. Balik pinuan ra biang hang ni te 24-25. Ngala ai nuksa men ne. Ngia pi ngala ong ba. Akaslem ka baladap. Akaslem ka baladap. Ong no hayen ngakit kau ngamang ban bam kau siberni. Henry habakut usnam ngadon kam kau sa siberni kamut arberni ngabam kau hakasnem ka baladap. Te naman tangan ni ka arsan arfun rio hatongan tho biang bangan le 1+1 siberni ba siberni dengan tho bet ngong bet menta usnam dengan thit no arberni. Kadi ban long kum tangan. Te ka juru hang ni haba himut ban mang bet ka. Kamut habalamang pelut. Ki kini kiting ya kata ka kes sapo ai kut. Ki khen ba lada jok maki lada kiram gitu kena kamut don kam siu tulop syu yaki. Katam lele. Kala ban long ba pilamang hang ni pim pelut kam lele. Kam juk tai kata. Henry mdei ban ong ban le hakani ka dur ka. Ba pin break pada ya ka rule, ba pin break ya ka procedure, haka ba ni present ya ka budget. Na ta kadao ngi shimbet bagani ka tingwara ing budget kalong unconstitutionally.
Iki paro masuk ke bawah hadian ka even full day mo jam kasi ka dikasih ka banding kong jeng ka dorbar mak kila don to ki jam mo ka jeng work out ka dia kai ni ki dan dia tai ka debat ka budget ngai suka banong to komni ki watch ba hi pet ma hadian ki jeng ki arli ka dorbar kasih ka banding kong jeng ka dorbar balong hau menai March kadon ka drama on the first day itself kadon ka drama kaban kaliang jong nang pilihan tu luar rakyat tu kejeng paman ra ka isi tapi di bawah jeng khat no jong industri bari untuk soal rama kadon ka drama mataru kasih ka first day kadon yang ka drama ka bedi bat ka jeng objek joki banon ra ya kini ka budget speech dan rai ni ka pangan ka por ba anda kaliang jong ka isi kan ya bawan ra ini ka budget kam cuma don kan kono ka maki kenok maki mo mangitu menyalam bakala mangitu ban be kam don ka ande kala pek na nembe karbonon ra ka budget actually tang jap kom se mo ka silong tang itu ibenta mo ba rio ka het ya ka ba kam judon ka het ke por ko mansua ten rei ka chong ka ding start ka isi mo ka chong ka ding start ka isi ka chong ka ding start ka finance department man bu yuki head krang ba kanum dan kanum ka jingta akabedai ba ka jing cikam ke jungi ke jing peluk sep kabedai ba ka council ke jungi banga pi baro pemedal mene apa yang darbar ma di mala work out lo de ki option pi na mi rak sabar hakapor ba puli yang finance ya ka budget ketika sin ka ban mingkong ketika sin ban ngong kadon ka budget speech ru mana kalian jaga isi kadon ka budget speech bahkan wan rakno ya ka recruitment committee mo ketika di ka promise kadon ka budget speech bangin pentri kam no shan ya kan diru ya ka recruitment committee dan setiap kemudian ki member ki procedure jong kan di ka recruitment committee kabar part ketika sin ka baning kong ka ba nakalian jong ka isi kadon ka budget ru ba ya kan di ka trading license gading print ya ki trading license kan de show ka ba aiwa shaki way ndai kan de hi da ka department Tiap balai ni syam hi bahkan print hi ka isi ani ka department ya ka trading license. Baru sikata kini ki isi ki beradab. Ya ka trading license ka renewal ya ka trading license. renewal juga training license ka syong khatsan spa kawai tang ban print sangam ni mo tang ban print ya baru ke jintan kam ban check igi dokumen ban check ya baru ke jintan kam lele ada ki staff juga district council tang ban print ni ya ka renewal ya ka training license ka badi khatsan spa tang ka khalai spa la yo ya ki brio ke basu outsource komod kila badi ki rusimat dan menun ngiptep kini ki ba outsource ki yo khat spa ka district council ka yo tang lai spa kila man bendor pi kata tang ban print ya ka training license ke babun ki kam le de kinong trai joka department komod joka department Palara nyila ban lek kam tara nyila ban chimti mangi lamba jongka trade department ban premi yakin diketin lesen kan kentiu ya ka revenue jongka district council syakomba 104 lakh sistem mandorfi 104 lakh sistem kan kiu ka revenue jongka district council nang nakadaw mangi chimti ban prino yakin lesen ya ka baboro sikata asu aiwa sikiru simat ini sikap kita nang ta ka ba aru so kaman sibut ba nakalian jong finance bat ki officer kilawan ra tani ka di ka surplus budget ka bambot babon ka jengmi ya ka jeng pelut mo kani kami di namar nakalian jong ngi ba kum nanu kasi basang jo kasi nila penduna yi khat jong ki step ka member ka bambot i duna nanta nila wemot ya baro ki komiti ka badan ka isi ka barem ki thong yi ki komiti ki bam sutu so thau su Don Sherman, Don Secretary, Don ki member ki bayo honorarium tip su ka jeng pelut. Bat kanin lama ini jingle bari jengi mangila wemlut ki barat ki komiti ki balang unnecessary ki bam dan kam tan. Anyo tanggi katukan ki komiti badan kam kala bangin penkunai ya ka jeng pen sa jengi ka district council. Baling ikunai bani sutu baka district council jengi ka financial position ini ka jeng sa kalong kam dak dei ka bakhanya terutama in finance seperti bagi kata ile kini khnang ba kanam don kono kerjing kata ya ka council bakam tam ya kinong trai jong ka council aku banyak tu opinion dia bagi don ki casual ge jong kinong trai casual ki ba thong na ki snam ki ba dap ki ba katulap jong ki tulang tang sangajar sim lai atau mengingin put saya tak bisa inam sosen si ki kinong trai bapri ki ba one trai man nakasni sim lai bat ki tang sangajar ni ngata kata kacing perkhat tentang ira dei perkhat ru dan ta kinong trai jong jadi kata orang gelek ban gunai ya ka jemplut ke jongi bat lamba jong kan di badia bara ya finance ru nirala banda kumta
ha kesengi palai jang tayo ke dorbar lior jang ka HADC kala poino syakabakut pada gani kesengi ki MDC kala yang persya kala mi jendat biang nagi yang dorbar hadian bakim shimlayo akalat bani shimbenta ha gejinga tai helor ka mang tengka jang ka council uchairman jang ka council uba strong pela kharjana ulong ba ka jingma mailat ya ki dikhot bani shimbenta gejinga tai ke namar bakim shimlapha ka kerteng jangki bani shimbenta ha gejinga tai Bat ya kania ulapan benahi hagi yang dorbar. Nakaliang unong yalam kaliang persya uba Titus Starwell Khan ulong bahagarul basispa khatsan. Lakadau syai balai lat luat yigi dikhot ki yang dorbar benetai ya kamang tengka. Bat ka klem tho agani garul bagi hab ban ai ki kerteng ha kesengi bawan ra kamang tengka. Hagani ka dorbar u executive member ula kemi ya ka khmat revenue uba Winston Tony Lingdo ula pentep ba kejing peniang ya ka kerdop krong kajna ho dihar. Kamdei kebabian. Bad ke executive committee kadang ap banyo ya kejing syai nagi bor peniat district ke Ribhoi halor kejing det kang ya ke kerdop klem da kenjok ketien ya ke HADC. Ulong bayam mentah sipor ya ke kerdop dihar ke executive committee kalapha pensengek syua sipor tak haduk mendayo kejing ya keren ke basyai bad ki bor peniat district. Ulong ru ke council kam semla peniang bian ya ke kerdop dihar Bad kani ke kerdop ke beladan lakat tu kena senam. Bad amsyam la penyang ya ke kerdop ha surok ba ne pentot ya kayat ke yang jong ki kali hek surok ba. Nri labu ke kerdop ke bajengai khatsan meter tam nak surok ba. U executive member ula pentip ru bagi yang dorbar ulong balada ke an kamsha ke executive committee ru kan omelek persya ke tikian nri kin buat renti. Ki pulit ke jela mentakli akem saya kilai ngut ki beriau na ke jela Madhya Pradesh. Ya kibala subajur bagi niru kidai kebeladan keti hagaban penduk pendam bat ban buri kisabut kibakongsan haga bayadai bat gajing syak peniap Raja Raghuvanshi hasora. Haga sengi palai jung katayo ke yang syari kelatihan bishar kini kilai ngot bat drai ban set hendriu sengi yaki haga polis custody. Ka kenhuan SIT kelakem yau silom James na Indor ubla IY ke yang sa na ka flat show Vishal Singh Chauhan uway na pedeng kiba subah peniap Raja Raghuvanshi. bat ki pulit kilat thwet yu halor kejing bu rie bat kejing pendo ya kisabut kebedai bat kejing sya penyap uraja hasora. Nalor kene kekenhuan SIT kala Kemru yu nong ap pahara ubalbir al herbar ya kabala suba jor bude ubrio ubadan kejing tip ke bakongsan pangka sonam bat kiwe pat. Ki pulit kila Kemru ya ulo Kendra Singh Tomar na Gwalior ubri utara jong flat kabadan ha Dewas Naka ha gaba kesonam kelalit bandri agapor bagadan he indoor. Kumagalong menta ki pulit kelayo kem prangut ki brio ki bagentup ikini ki laingut bat sangut ki badan menta ha judicial custody ki bagentup ke sonam uraj u Akash Rajput Vishal Singh Chauhan bat u Anand Kurmi. Superintendent ki pulit ki East Khasi Hills uba Vivek CM ulupentip bu Silom James ulay alami ki pulit jong kekenhuan SIT bat ki leo kurup ekobai ka pistol chinahi rangkat bat artli ki magazine bat artli ki kuli .32 na kobai ka wak duit. Nalor kania leo kurup ru ke pisah basan Pawhajar Tengka na kali I-10 kabadan yu number MP Not Kendai WG Arlai Sanar ya kabalasay na kapla bu laptop jong raja. Ya kini kepala latang bat lakam bayaka laptop ula berat cerut surok bat amsyam lalap satya yaka.
And right now, I think as you are aware that now the court has already granted judicial custody to all those five people, and now the investigation is still on. So let us wait and see. Again. Another two and one more which was just arrested. Again, one more person. Three of them will be again transferred to Shillong for the detailed investigation.
Is the Navendra Kumar, is he the one, the third one?
Yes, he's one of them. Three of them are there. There are three of them. Of course, the detail I don't have, but three of them. So within few days from now, they'll be brought to Shillong for further investigation because it is found that they are linked to this killing of the of late Raja.
So it goes beyond the motive of...
That we are yet to come to any conclusion. Let us see. From all angles, I'm not talking only for the love angle, but even beyond that. So right now I can't say anything. So let the investigation be completed, and once that is done, I think the truth will come out as it is.
Ki pulit kejelah ha kesini palai jong tayo kelawan alam no ikini laingot kibala syakam na indoor syakanong bak Shillong. Bad pedeng kajing ay kajing ada ke bajur layalam ki syaka sadar police station. Ha ke port janmiet ki pulit kelayalam ikini laingot syaki yang syari bantian bisha. U assistant public prosecutor Tushar Chanda ulai tu baki yang syari kelarai ban set hendrio sngi ha ke police custody ikini laingot. Kenang bagi pulit kini ban penlong ya kajing tokit. Lihaturu bagi pulit kelapan por prasngi banset ke police custody mereka yang syari kelain terusngi banset yaki ke police custody.
You see this Silcom, then Lokendro and this Balbir, they were produced before the Honorable Court today, and all the three accused were remanded to police custody for 6 days.
Was there any defense from
Yes,
their side?
legal aid council they appeared.
But not from Indore.
No.
Police had sought for how many days?
Police sought for 8 days. Court has granted 6 days police custody.
Any other observations from the court, sir?
No.
Police? No. Thank you.
Actually, we have not sent everyone, 2 of them, but they didn't want to make the statement before the magistrate. No, that's the discussion. That is their prerogative. The court has produced Prasan order also that they were not willing.
So how strong is this case now?
Yes, we have ample evidence. Yeah, we have ample evidence right from the beginning and even till now also. Whatever material we have, these are good evidence that we have. We'll wait for the FSL reports, and also these will add strength to that. See, the first thing is. Like we said, the intention first was in fact it was greed also, we can say, and as well as what they've done in the process is of course the destruction of very vital evidences. And in fact right now we are going to investigate, interrogate them, and then find out whether if we are able to get some more light into it, whether because these materials like laptop and all,
they said that they have been thrown. But we will interrogate them and find out where exactly they've thrown or whether it's still being kept somewhere. We'll find out. And you found there was the weapon that was seized yesterday, that gun, and along with the ammunition, and then that 50,000 which we had retrieved from the vehicle. So these are the things that we had recovered. But in fact, right now we are going to, since we've got police custody, we're going to interrogate more on the materials that were actually being disclosed by the previous accused.
So
yes, because what we've learned is from the statement of of Raj as well as Akash, they had disclosed that there was a weapon in the bag. So accordingly, we were able to get that, and then
the plausible reason which I can see now is greed. So probably people got greedy. The accused have been arrested. Box is still there. So must have thought, let's check what is there, and then they found the cash, jewelry, and all that. And must have taken that, not knowing that okay, police will be able to trace the whole thing back. And later realizing that yes, police will come and be able to ascertain who is there. These people, all three of them, took off. One person took off to Hadwar, another person took off to Bhopal, and the other person to Ashok Nagar. So these people, just from their actions only, it just shows they are guilty and culpable. And we have proof of them taking the box out. So actually they're not involved in the murder per se, but they're involved in destroying vital evidence.
Nangisa pagi na mentakiway pat kikubor ngan Swan Pai hadin kini kijing penmana.
In every IVF cycle, at the end of the day, success rate matters. And at Janidwa, we are very proud to announce that we have one of the highest success rate in Guwahati. At Janidwa, we tailor every treatment based on age, health history, and lifestyle.
Kihinong ilam ko Khasi Meghalaya Tourist Taxi Association hagasi balang jangatayo kilasay madan ni kajinglap jongki bagiran hadush potli ki agency ni kikinhon ki IY ki tok bad artli ki agency ki IY ki kali jongki riu shimet chikinong jungo kai perthai bad kini ki badan tangha kanong ba shalong
Mana phai wai ap chưa? Mana phai wai ya mah?
Avinash.
Tabale me ai wai. Medai mana?
Business jam tu tena medai
Tab medai you.
tena wan ne te ongana ino scooty takadaw na wan ne.
Ha? Mesti me tiap nem kata illegal. Ha? Tabale mesti me ai wai.
Kinong ilam ko all Khasi Meghalaya Tourist Taxi Association AKM TTA. Klitho batang hakanong ba Shillong kidon spotli ki agency ke ba IY scooty bat ki bike. Bat artli ki agency ke ba IY ki kali kinong jengok kai perthai bat kini ki dai ki baran hakiting road jalu para bat lalum kra. Laban kedau hang ne badang shan ketenat transport ke Sarkar Jela kelakuni akan notification banam sha ban IY ki arshaka bat ki kali ki riu shimet. Badang shan ginong ilam ke AKM TTA kayo ban kem ginong penyat ki arshaka bat ki kali na kithan ka khandai lat. Habakran ni kelat patai kubor hak arpusan trek ujeliau arhajar arpusan u President ka Yatli Tourist Owners and Drivers Association ubudeu dekat ke AKM TTA uba amor kurba ulong bagajing khandra ka association ginong penyat ki agency iba IY ki arshaka ki kali riu shibet kinong wanjung okai perthai kelong namar bantem mi kanu kanu kejingja ke besniu kumbala sakidang shan halo kejingja yau nong jung okai perthai na indoor ulong bahag baydai bagajing non ki agency bagi app ki bala ban IY ki kali ki breu ki don ki baterai na gejala Meghalaya bag ki don pat ki bala ban peniat yakini ki kam na sabar gejala bagajing alat ki breu ban lek kam benami nasabar ke jela kade kawai kabla ban bo jeng ma bhai ke jela namar bagi tra jela kem dan jeng tep ai halor kini ki kali uba bala jet jerwa ulog manakaliang ka association hi kalashi mekarai bakan omsha la de kiyo panekendo hang no ya kum kini ki kali de kabe thoru bak association kalap bagi don ki agency ki ba peniat hakarukom ka babean
ya ka bamenta ki don spotli kini ki ba IY ya ki scooty ma ba IY tang scooty ba kabat bat jong ka kali ki don artli ka wai ka don hapo hane hajan kiting road kibun hi hane hapo hajan kiting road jalu para bat lain khrap
halor kata ka jing yo kam jengi ki scooty umdai tang ki scooty kini wat ki kini ki kali saw shakaru ka bangilo ya kam ki bade ki kali private lane ki bla IY de kini ki riu shimat sha kini ki nong wan jong kai perthai lane shagi jingdon kam ha bade ka personal jong ki riu paj ba ka ai ki jing sim khia jingi kom ki nong lam jong kini ki association kalong ba ngim kwa ba kanu ka pasniu kanjia na lor ba government klad ai ka notice sha ki tu ki nong IY shikini ki scooty shikini ki nong penon kam kini ki saw shaka tengi kum kinang lam jang association khnang ban kan long bai totally ban lane ban khang simdan bat yaki lane ban pendu simdan yaki bakan nomon ra kajing bom shong shngan bakan nomon ra ya kanu ka bakta ya kadong ya kasinong kajongi ya gari kajongi hi barok awai de halor kata kadong rem ngiru ngidan kata kajing simkhia rengkat lang bakini ki members ki jongi rengkat lang bat kini ki wai ki association ru ba ngin kem ladang yoi lane ladang yo kundu hangdong noru nginum sha iki khnang bakan wara ya ka syungsuk kesengsan khnang bakan wara ya ka bahak kamiat hake melang salang ka jongi
malum ta do kana tuli kai kini kita ki agency do punya di plan ki kali private ki layo ban layo jing tip halor kini
hakabai de bat ka jingdon jengkini ki agency nang ta ki apsu kiladon katu kan ni kiladon hi ki batre ni ka jala ka jongi te nang ta pade watna shabaru gidan pi watna shabar ka bakam sni shushu kolong ba kini ki apps lene kini ki agency ki banabar ki bawan ban le benemi ko man long no lene ki ba kwa ban tu e kene ka kamai ka ji ko badan ni ka jala ka jingi leng ba ki apps ki jongki tikini ki nong jong ka perthai lene ki tores haba ki book ye ki pade kimdan kata ka jingtep la ki don em kata ka cooperation bat ka sarkar jala ka jongi lane la ka don em kata ka jingi tep lang bat ki asion jongi kum kata kamdan ka jing bentep nagilang jong tu ki try shaki tu ki tores ki bawan sikni ka jala ka jongi
halor kata ka kani ka singi ka bangi yo banyak kendu yo chief minister badan brom jangka jala jongi nagaleng ka AKMTT ringkat bat ki paradabal hi ki badan pok jala jongi bat ki ki asion ki badan haga hapo jangka AKMTT ko khot lingkot no jingwang kendu jongi ka long be haga tu ka mat ka bangi dawan ru arjar apply hau bunai al trik haga al trik 9 November kalong ba ngiwan CM ban ra itu kamat hi keju kabang yang ba nakaliang ke government to thau no di policy ha bai dei bat ki to the spot ki ban naga jela jungi ba ki kali ki ban bar ke jelahi ki numla asu ban ra ki nong jong kai go wan ke jela jungi ndre ai lat no ingi ki try muluk ki try jela ki blong ki tribal lokal hi nang ni na po jela jungi bakin yo ban ra tang ki to the spot tang kata hingi keren bol CM te nakaliang CM pat hadin ba ula yo min kendu ingi ula pun pau jing kemen ba ula so tanat hadu kat sikat dei bat wong nakaliang CM ru wong ikan gamat ka bangiwan matasi kalong ba unum pen slam show mardor hi wong ban ya song rengkat no bat ki department of repair bat tourism kalau manta kini jongka ki bai dei bat transport kini song kerki no kan meeting kini jing dawa jungi but soon but shen un khot kloi no i ha bai dei yakni ha bai dei ba kani jing dawa ka jungi manta kasni na kaliang hakmat CM
Usembut Menteri Rangba Kejelau Bak Preston Tensong ubah kemiru ketenat PWD. Hagalak senyu belajang ketayo ulalu me kejing yalang halor kejing shnai kesurak ha kejela bad kesurak Shillong Dauki ha kabaula betha ha ka NHIDCL bakade ben penstet no kejing pentrai kikam bad ban pendap kloi no kikam kumbalabu kapor. Usembut Menteri Rangba Kejelau beri kemi ketenat PWD ubah Preston Tensong. Haka arpulai terik ujeliu arhajar arpusan lalu me kejingilang bat ki officer ke NHIDCL ketenat PWD ketenat revenue bat ketenat forest ban bishar benia halo kejingshna yagi surok ha kejela. Habakaran ni gelat patai kubor ba Preston Tensong ulong bahak ni kejingilang layok menekran halor ke surok Shillong Dauki kabau la betha ha ke NHIDCL ban pen stat no kejing pentrai kakam. Bat kermen bikin la ben pendep no kumbalai kot. Haka baidai ba ke Western Bypass ubak Preston Tensong ule tu ba kejing bishar benia alor kani kakam kedan kendiat kejing Haka baidai ba ke jaka namar kidon negi briau kibalakam ba ke jaka jongki bat kimpat yo ya ka bai jaka. Alor kani ura ban betha ya ke district collector ban pinbet ya kene kamat bat ban pentikna ba kejing pentrai kam dai ban sakot ndrai ke benia chkamat.
I've just had a review meeting today. One is about the progress of work Penusla Shillong Dauki Road, all the packages. And right now instruction has been given to NHIDCL to speed up the work, and I'm very sure they'll be able to complete it maybe as indicated in the contract order by the NHIDCL. So I've seen the work is in progress well. Of course, we do have problem because of this rain, but I'm very sure they'll be able to reach the target as already stipulated in the work order. That is point number one. Then number two, I also did the review meeting relating to the progress of Western Bypass. Again, we have little challenges with this problem of land. Land means the problem is about, sometimes some people, they claim that the land belongs to me, I did not get the payment, this, that. A lot of things happening like that. So I've given direction to all the district collector to resolve this issue and make sure that the progress of work does not at all affect. And these people, though they claim, until as they have the proper document, they cannot just blindly claim like that. So we have taken a decision today, and I've instructed to all the deputy collectors to do the needful and make sure that the progress of work is fully in good pace as we already expected, and I'm very sure we'll be able again to complete on time.
Uliyatho bakaway kabalayo banekran na kani kajingelang kalong halor ka subway speed corridor kaban sedang na umyam syado kajaka kaput kejela Assam lengba ka west but east Gentle Hills ha kabala batha igi district collector banwat kajaka na kabentaman shnaya kani kesurok kaban kanthop ig South League district kata Hariboy East Khasi Hills West Gentle Hills but East Gentle Hills nalor kanila yo ru banekran halor kesurok Tura bypass ha kabala batha ban penkre ka 3D notification yagi district collector. Hakabede bagasurok ha umyam shilong uba preston tensong le tho bagatanat kanchna na katulen da kabakdo ba kania kalong hadian bala sorjamen ne kene surok na kabentaban penlong shkafolien. Dekat kum kakai pot hi kania kan omla banlong namar kejing buan palat kejing lut. Kum talarai ban ieno e kania kejing temu ban shna folien ne kene surok bagatanat kan sa shna da surok tulen. Ndrei kan dai kabahe 10 kilometer kejing yar.
Yes, again, recently I had a meeting with the managing director of the NHITCL in Delhi. As I told you a few months back, the NHITCL has already started solving and preparing all the groundwork to convert the Umyam up to Shillong Road into a 4-lane road. But ultimately, the preliminary report that they received from the ground is that it is not feasible, not possible to go for the elevated road because the cost is too much. It is beyond the expectation. So ultimately, that day when I had a meeting with them along with my team from the WD, so we decided to abandon that idea of converting it into 4-lane. But this time we are going to stick to the double lane, the existing one, but it should be 10 kilometers width, 10 kilometers width, including the pavement. Relating to the survey of the speed corridor, starting from Barapani, starting from Umyam, up to the border of Assam, where ultimately all the district collectors, they are on the job, and I'm very sure very soon each district collector will be able jointly with the NHL to finalize the center line of the speed corridor road up to the end point of East Chaitya Hills, and the progress, as I said, through all the 3 districts, because all the 4 districts, starting from Riboy district, second is East Khasi district, West Chaitya Hills district, and also East Chaitya Hills district. And the last one, I took a review, the progress of the proposed Tura bypass to Dalu. Again, the 3D notification is being prepared by the respective district collector. One is Tura DC and number 2 is Ampati DC. They are working out about the 3D notification, and very soon this process will be completed. And once that is completed, then they will come out with the 3G notification. So these are the review meetings that I had today with the concerned company NHSL, along with my department, and also with revenue department and the forest department. Each district collector, they have taken all their responsibilities at the homework. They have already called meeting with all the stakeholders, especially with the landowners, and number 2 is with the traditional heads like Ramashnong or the Doloi or the same, and that has been more or less completed. And now the survey is also almost completed, and I'm very sure very soon they'll be able to identify even the center line of this speed corridor.
Ka Shillong Municipal Board hak simpalai jong katayo kala pertalang baki korjing pensawa bahkan penkendria ano ikinong demadan kibadia kendailat syagi jakai kebela penkrea dak sorkar jela na kebenta jongki. Hendrai kinong demadan kila penpaw kejing bam senguhun ya kene karukom penkrea jong sorkar na marksyap tiang yo kinomla ban peniat yo ya kimar kimata jongki.
Halian dak kejing ajing mo jong kataun vending committee kepuntit pagba maya ka jaka yang kali hakamala ka bahadrong jong kemuda parking lot Kapenta jangka road surat bahakmat jangka budak kompleks bat ke jangka yang kali bersyak ke SBI main branch na pengena bagi daily vending zone. Berlimba kini ke jumpen na betha iki dan sangyat no ke kamdie mata haki surat bat nanti yang pagba.
Ka Shillong Municipal Board hak arpun rew trek jeliau arhajar arpusan kalapan benapat ba leng baki kor jing pensawa halor ke jing tubu ke sorkar ban wengno ikinong syang dukan madan hak handailan. Ya kene lale kat kumki kendon an. Kasilong Municipal Board kala pentepat ba kamala bahalor na kemuda parking lot kajaka harut kesurok bat hakamat kemuda shopping complex ba kajaka mar persya ke SBI main branch kan de kajaka beli itu kum ki vending zone ani kajaka bala pencong dijing di Hamadan. Kumta Kasilong Municipal Board kamana bancong dijing di Hamadan ki waipat kajaka ya dan surok akan dailat. Ya kan negara lasim kat kum ki kendon ke Street Vendors Protection of Livelihood Regulation of Street Vending Act Arhajar Katsau bat ke Meglaya Street Vendors Protection and Livelihood Regulations of Street Vending Scheme Arhajar Arpulai. Kumta labatha ya beroginong syang bukan badan ki badan ya ke Certificate of Vending bakin kendriaan o syikijaka ki balak kedau. Hala ni sywa ke arpu artrik unaitung Arhajar Arpusan. But on sya asyo ikino ki bamdan ya kini ki Certificate of Vending bikin syong dia jeng dia harut surak dan ni harut kelinti ya kejat nadu mentah. Kat kum kejing tip balayo kalong bakat kum kejing ho uhe ka officer jong Kasilong Municipal Board long bakidon kum ba arspa asan pautam kinong syong madan akan dailat ki balayo ya ka Certificate of Vending ki baga sarkar kala ai porshibnai ban pen kenria no ki sya kejaka jong kemuda. Kat bagi wepat ki bamdan kini ki Certificate of Vending la ai por license ban weng no yaki. Habayo mani kran bikin nongshong madan kila pen pawe kejing bam sngohun ban hab ban kenria no na kene kejaka namar baki artatian ne kejing la bandi ki mar ki mata. Kiletho bagi dai ki bala syong di jing di Hamadan ki posnem bagi yo ban besai ki kon ki ti ban yo ban phalit pulia bat pendap penbiang ya ka yang kasamru kumjo.
Ba dari syong su siapa meladir nang lak pribadi bihang ni cuy.
Jika serkar orang bakal haknya pelat ni kejaka.
Long kami atang pada dia ba kumsya ra banjat tang kali long dah sya banjat tang briu long kam dah ketar tu. Jadi banjat tang briu. Dia lang 4 kali tu long lak kami ai.
Ki orang bakal release kita ki certificate ya kitu ki belayo cakang ti muda satu belayo ne.
Layo tu ka sertifikat tang bala pen phai no. Tim ngamti berapa orang tu presiden sekretari orang pen phai no tang ngamti berang kita kat wang itu ngi sungai dan
Kamu ladang dan ketu pada punya cakap aku nak lu kat nama nang ni
Tibra ngam tibra kata ada syong mecarai jeng gitu kinong punya cingi le teng tibra.
So ya ham ne me kata cakap ba ai sarkar minta tu.
Dagi ai yang tu curang dak hambiang hi beno hapo tem trera.
Tiga jing syong ta along papala tiga jing syong em. Tambalong kin pendet no nginyo syong hajung in pendet ngindi syong sespo ngimdi wat ni apa yang surang ngimdi. Tingin syong sapo dingim ladi em. Ti long dek sung sele tang bangini pendet no ningina ya krak ken kumtuma. Yang iberiu ki ya ki jing tot kitem no kitem ki ai kumtu kinong di long kam ya hap kan. Jeng kali kaya iberiu ki ya khamia. Kali li beri hok banyak kan ya baji. Balom tak beri 4 kilo nang syong pi along kima korte kaktir. Kinda penrit no ti long ta kin nong yar ki yo kali ka yo ngi nong dirung yo balalang ni ken ma kin penweng no engi basang hasurong sapo kene pedang surong ngim dia ti sapo inu ken ngim dia nang ibla khaw ko nang ni ko ne bon se skul
na me yupang pila syong bukan
nah ne do step la ku ar ngaso kawan ti por msyati long wan muspal kum tu wan muspal ngi phel la leng muspal ngi syong te long idang yo syong pre ken hang ni syong ru dangi syong dan buram hi ki beri 4 bon ki 4 long ki makor teman-teman tak aduh akmat aduh pring surok la syong ti kesor kali beri pe habar hawit ti di hok hi banong long tak enda hang jong along dak kisni pada ngi yo syong ak mengin syong dan buram la kat kinai krak than ti
ngat ba nueng la nang teng sam jing e pi namang ngi yo ngi bam dak ai kan ikun janga ngan police ko dak ai ngan le chot balas ai
Tiki kin daweng nang ni pat kimut po ang tek po moda kong tu iaham nang ite
Nata kajing pa jong ata kami iahap ra man negosyo sa po. Mana bag menot benorong sa po. Halo lang tay bang ihap siu sa balbay lad sa ladong sedang. De badang ni bang isyong airo minang semding
Morong num ladi kan chatay.
Ya, kaya kam dai ta bakam dai hira ka. Hado
kaya.
Bakam dai ka kaya badang ni madan ro. Semding ta.
Ipat ka ba isngaw pa dia kan ikara jo sarkar makan weng no ikini ki ipat.
Nga mas ngausi hi makan weng kumingi ki barat ki bariama an suweng no ya ki kuja jongi ki barat kam sudai am la suam bantu kami sang penrit kendat kadang don kedang sengau dai ta leben suweng la ka weng ta siap jeng am ngiro
Kaya ka ba kuwa man ang patisya ka sarkar pa. Lasi yo pi tahi kan. Kayak ke berpikir berkepat cakap sarkan. Makin berhalang deh kemina.
Lekin ngata ngong bat mungkin penek bene ju.
Kau menakan ni kila ai kita ki sertifikat dah ba ya gitu diberi bakin bank nak sedih sebuah mudah tu kila yo nak kita sertifikat.
Ya empat yos.
Ya dah. Tu kamu ladam dan ketua ladam ni cakap kan teh.
Bila kata ngasong bayang ni.
Kan wang ni ti sa khâu khô nang nei tu ni la china kong. Ni hab ya shong ba jiong. Lada ka pen biang ni ti hab kan ya. Lada kamla pen biang ni ti nya shong se nya buat khâu hon je. Bu nam ta ki khon ya pen hawat belang. Ya pen he pen san ki khon ya pa skul pa ayu. Te dam yo ben di ni ti nya lem no. Lada sarkar ka pen biang ti ingkin ya.
Ki ong ya gitu ki belayo ya kasih OP ke sertifikat dah kila apan ketrian orang teh mudah hatu ki belayo nam tak kasih OP.
Empat yor ko.
Apa dia ai?
Tengin kin re ang te kinong thien nang yu ang te di no. Dan imboni bro ang ne dang ne rong imboni bodon. Te ang te lingin boni sei. Ini ya sei ngin pen kedang kha khon ni dei ki khon. Te wi wat khnang ben ya wat khnang ke bela nya di yu te pen kedang khon nang dam kedang khon ni nya bela bela ha potai. Ini le yu ke potai. Dadang im trei. Ni ke san kimi bang sa pen san ni khon dia lah cing belah ni, bisa besar ai cai kun dia lah kebentang ni bengi di jenggi. Kadang imyo ni belar imyo tu kau ta, misteri rong imyo, trai yo rong imyo, tingin lem no. Ikon belai pas ikon kepercayaan ben kadang kun, dia dah ID ni tingin jala cina. Dia dah kumta dah ID, terpenyap sih kun, sa penyap yang ikmik pa.
Kalau tikna ambak film yo sertifikat IE nak pemuda dan kendaraan teh.
Ha ngim le yang tan ngim le kong.
Le pilayo nam ke sertifikat pak.
Ha.
Ya.
Ya.
Pilayo. Tekamut piru PDIB ban kendaraan stay tamah hun pat.
Ngim hun kong ngim kendaraan. Hendak tu ngim penuh.
Da gajing temu benele ban peniajan ne gajing ajing syakri tenat sorkar yagi pat ba bagi kisnong hagitan nong kendong. Hagas ngi palai jong katayo ke sorkar jela ke lepat ba ke artli ke office terekam ke belatei thamai jong ka bhoi rembong CNRD block bat kumjuru jong ko umling CNRD block. Menteri Rangba ke jela Meghalaya Konrad Kongkal Sangma lambat menteri bidikmi ekatanat CNRD Witi Mandal hak arpun rotrik ujeliau arajar arpusan kilalet ke distrik Riboi ban plepat ba ke artli ke office belatei thamai ne ke benta ke bhoi rembong CNRD block bat ko umling CNRD block. Hak jing plepat ba eka bhoi rembong CNRD block la buram ban plepat ba dau ba kolbat shadap usipai blashong that ubladan ke benta ke bakrau hak jing kon ya kathma hapeng ke India bat Pakistan hak senam syajar kendai spa anrupusan bat syajar kendai spa nyapuwei hak balapenan buram ru de jing ais ngobha balapen kamti do menteri rangba hak ni kesengi balaple ya kene ke building halum dat kla bhoi rembong edan lang uba daman bat lamare MLA Kumroi Constituency, Ubak Charles Marngar, MLA Kamawati Constituency, Dr. Celestine Lengdo, MLA Kumsning Constituency, Deputy Commissioner ke District Ribhoi Abilash Baranwal, lempat kiwe-kiwe ki kenrem kilendan. Ya ka bhoi rembong CNRD block latih ke jinglut ke bakot, kumbasau poin san klur tengka. Hak jaka ke badan, kumbasyajar kendai spotlight per square meter. Ya ke umling CNRD block pat, laple ya kena ke office, bat ai buram yo ba Rani Maring uwei neki kaitor bapau ke distrik Ribhoi bat ubajusnaru ki tiar put penrai ha kani ke project ke belas ateng nadok kesem syajar kendai spa propo bala ban penur long ya ka bantai pendapura hadian sausan senam ha ke jinglut balamang kompasan kelur tengka ke belate ke jaka ke badan komba arajar san square meter Lasa kilang agni kesngi da kejingi don lang ubak sostenis sotun MLA kejirang constituency ki officer bat kiwe-kiwe. Habakran agni kesngi menteri rangba ula pentip agni katong jong sorkar kabatmu ban peniajan ki board district shikipat ba begini kejing syakri ke babiang. Haga batang hakini ginyo senam ki blalet nok sorkar jela kelamang arjar san spa klur ban penbit penbiang bat bantai penbhai kejing tai baper. Ulang ru bagini ki office jong ki CNRD block walabun kem paikman. Bagi ki office ki bekong sanbha ban pentelun ki kam syakri pat ba kam tam ki skim penroi jong ke sorkar. Da keba benrap ru bakanu-kanu kejinyak lenti kan sedang da keba sijam arjam. Nrela da sedang 6 poison ru. Menteri Rangba ulapan pau bak sarkar kelathau rikilat da keba play ya kilat da ke juk start science keba menta ban penkelai kurkom terekam bat ban pensuk ya kipat ba. Menteri Rangba ulong baga distrik Ribhoi ke distrik ke Badan Bok Bha ban saiki projek penroi ke bakam he. Hakipor ke Bandangwan. Nakaliang Menteri berikmi akatanat CNRD UIT Mondal ule tro bakani katanat kala penlot adu sispa prapo klur tengka banchna ya ki building jangki office jangki saupun riu teli ki blok akalang kejela nulor ki beki kampen roy ki ban penmentoi upat ba jang kejela baro kawai.
I also would like to share with you just one more thing before I conclude, is that Ribhoi district as a whole, we are seeing a large amount of transformation, as you're aware, that's taking place. Two very important infrastructure projects are coming up that is going to transform Ribhoi district like never before. And one of them is the airport expansion project. And I'm happy to inform all of you that it is very much on track. We have completed different aspects of land acquisition. We are in the final stages of giving the environmental clearances. Airport Authority of India has already floated the tender for the extension of the runway and further extension of the building and the terminal, and other facilities will be followed soon. It will be a project of close to 500 crores. And once this airport expansion is done, we will be receiving aircrafts directly from all the metros. That means all airlines, the commercial airlines like Indigo, SpiceJet, Air India, and all the other commercial airlines will be now able to land directly in Shillong. And that means a lot. It means, number one, of course, that our people don't have to go all the way to Guwahati. It also means that the tourists and other passengers can come straight to Umroi, to Ribhoi, and then to Shillong. It means that our local economy, whether it is our taxi drivers, whether it's the different people involved in the transport, accommodation, all of these things will grow. And also the whole economy around the airport will grow, because there will be many establishments that will be coming up, many opportunity for many resorts to come up, and there will be a big boom for the tourism sector out here. The second big information which we all know is the express highway that's going to come up, the 25,000 crore plus project, which is the largest project that Meghalaya has ever seen, and it is the first expressway project in a hilly terrain that is being taken up by Government of India. It is really, you can say, a crown jewel project for us. And once that happens also, you will see a huge traffic that will be going through Meghalaya, and obviously we will become a major transit state, and that would mean that major economic activities will be taking place, and the benefit of that will go to the local people.
Menteri Khana Sarkar Pedeng Pabitra Margarita hak singibalang jong katayo ulong baga Sarkar Pedeng kerang kemi bnia ahlo kejing dawa kejela Meghalaya ban pentrai kamno ya ke inline permit ha kejela ha kejingwan jong Menteri Khana jong katanat ki kambari ba katanat textiles ke Sarkar Pedeng Pabitra Margarita shkanong ba Shillong ha jubab kejing kali halor kejing slam jong ke Sarkar Pedeng halor kejing dawa jong kejela ban pentrai kamek inline permit ha Meghalaya. Uni Menteri Khana ula persyai bakani kamat kadai kabarang kemi bhada ka Sarkar Pedeng. Ulong bakam long kabasisya bak Sarkar Pedeng bakam tip lani bakashu singapjar halor kani kejing dawa. Uang bakidan bon kejing dawa bat ki badan habaro gejala jong than stelam mingi ki bladon daki posnam. Ulong bahapo kejing alam jong Menteri Rang Bado Kariu Narendra Modi yakini kejing lanang kemi kawai hadian kawai pat. Ulapan tikna bagi jingdawa yak ILP ha Meghalaya ru kadang dai ke bakmi bahar ke sorkat brek bat anselai ai ha kapor ke babiang komale ki wek kimat ki bekendo ha ki pat ki jella.
So who is talking about this? They carried out bombing in our own state of Mizoram long ago. So this is Congress who declared emergency. So if any other citizen raises any point, definitely we should answer. But I don't think that we should give importance to any allegation, any demand, any comment, any this type of statement of Congress, because Congress do not have any right to raise an equation. Other than any common citizen may raise an equation, we will answer. But we don't think that we should give importance to Congress because they how they ruled our Northeast and the entire nation for 60 years, how we lag behind for in many aspects, how we were limited to the slogan Garibi Hatao. But it is Modi ji under his visionary leadership, 25 crore people have come out of the poverty line of poverty. So it is Modi ji who visited Northeast for 65 times. Budget allocation for Northeast has increased by many folds 3 times. For donor NEC, it has increased by 428%. All the state capitals are going to get connected by rail, by air connectivity, digital connectivity. We have seen. So 10,000 plus members of the insurgent groups have surrendered. They are now contributing for nation building. Rashtra Droh nahi, Rashtra Nirman mein samarpit hai. 85% of killing, casualties due to insurgency is decreased by 85%. 72% decrease in insurgent activities. So this is the scenario. More than 12 peace accords have been signed with the insurgent groups. So now, entire Northeast is marching forward along with the other states at the path of Viksit Bharat. This is Modi ji who considers Northeast to be Ashtakshmi, the growth engine of modern India. It's not a slogan or it's not a statement. Practically, he has delivered and he has, brought our Northeast to the center stage. And just a couple of years ago, Northeast was considered to be at the periphery. But now it is Modi ji, for his dynamic and dedicated leadership. Northeast is now at the center stage of our Bharat. Issues where many political, socio-cultural issues are there, one by one, everything is resolved. And we are 8 states in the Northeast. So, because of the dynamic and visionary leadership of Modi ji and entire NDA government, many issues like this, which were pending for decades after decades for the last 60, 70 years. So, the problems we Northeastern have been facing for the last decades after decades, now these are resolved by NDA government under the dynamic and visionary leadership of Modi ji, and many issues are like that, like those are resolved, and we are optimistic that the other issues will also be resolved in no time. Thank you.
Da gejeng sokya lo gejeng sniuk surok kebala pentut ekalit kawan jongki patba bat kumjuk jongki kali. Ka Meghalaya Commercial Truck Owners and Drivers Association jongki district Southwest Khasi Hills. Kala penelong ya kejeng maramot hi ya kesurok nado nalat balat syado jengking umpung. Ka Meghalaya Commercial Truck Owners and Drivers Association MCTODA jong Southwest Khasi Hills kala penelong ya kejeng maramot ya kesurok nalat balat syado jengking umpung dengan mensngubah hadian baglasaki bagani kesurok lasnil syabab palat put bergelabu akejeng ya kebakrau ki kali bad igipat ba banyak lingba kini kesurok. Usai Secretary kena ke association ubak pilandar estong ni ulong bagaseng kelasem kesenja man maramot hi kena kesurok kedai namar bagani kesurok lasnil syabab palat put. Bala de ki post nem am shim ladan ki ban pet ne phai kemat kumta keseng kampan si ban shim hi kesenja man le ai no hagaban maramot kena kesurok kam tam habaki miru ki jingkeno habaki surok ki jot rathai lakeno bagadi ki jingya ki trok. Ula kenturu i pat ba bakin misya kemat hagaban maramot bat ban shnahi ki surok namar bakin long lat luat. Bat bagian long higi try namar lada kasna ka sarkar ki surok kan bu ki kendon hakabedai bat kabakit jengkit bat ki bante apat ya ki pat ba.
Nakaliang kajongi ke Association Meghalaya Trucks Owners and Driver Association ngile ya kani kamon dala kamon sngau baha kajongi ban repair ya kani ke surok nadu lat balat hadu ka jingking umpung syatai namar kajing kilayo i khamtam kini kidong ke bisani kilayo i ya kajing senjor jong kani ke surok ka bara pitlut kini kirong namar kum daki pausnem ya kani don su ba pet ba i ya kani ke surok tedai namar kata kum ka seng kabadon kajing sengaulem kajing nok seniang haki babun ke banta jong kani kadong katany abang iyo i ya kani kasurok baka jot ratai ngimbat se ban sim ya kani kasenjam bangin le na kabanta kani kasurok namar kata ngile ya kani dakamon sengabha om bangi persya yano henry day dakamon kajongi kum ki paradikot jong kasang Association Meghalaya Commercial Trucks Owners and Driver Association. Namar la daja kino kijing prala ni kijing snew jong kini kisurak ki babun kijing syakan to kijing syakan no kabaning kong kalong ya ki truck kijongi ki badai baniyat nang ne. Namar kata sakawipat ngakwa ban ong yo pajba ba ngidai ban kentu ngakwa ban kentu yo pajba dai ka jing penbor lane kanu ka jingle ka jongi henry ka dai tangkum ka jing hikai na ka mata jongi upajba jong kane ka dong ka thai lada pikwa ban yo ka surok ka balaj lo to ngini snahi ka surok namar ngilalap cisin balawan siang surok ke sorkar to tip baki kendon babun kinbu pensa syam sitom banket jengket namar kata katba piki pajba pidang siang hi pidang lehi pidang pendap hi yakini kitlu kisar pidang danglong lajlot bat pidang long terai hiro kata kade kejing hikai kajongi henry cisin bakalawan na kasurok kabla shim na kibang lane ka sorkar kabla shimram na kinu kibang lane kanu kebenta hangta kamut phela syate namar omdei bakta tang ya ka sorkar kakta ya kontraktor bat habala kta ya kontraktor kala kta aru yang ike pajba enda kumta kajing kanlong yang ike pajba namar kata kan kade kajing hikai kabakumnong insim ya kijing ya trei sengobha kijongi ladalong kabala na kabenta jongi na kabenta jong piki pajba kibadon hakane katany lada pinsim kum kane kanuksa kanlong ka khubor na kabenta upajba ulong din numandin ujongi unsayo i ka kijing trei sitom ka jongi
Ka UAE India SEPA Council rengkat kejing trailang bat ke Embassy jong ke United Arab Emirates. Hakari India, kala sedang ya ka UAE India SEPA Startup Series hakejing alang kebelalong haka Taj Mahal Hotel ha New Delhi. Haka bapalat cis pangot kilawan bani benta. Kani kesenjam kalong pan penurlong ki thong ki bakongsan jong ka UAE India Comprehensive Economic Partnership Agreement ban kentiu ki but trekam ki bathamai leng ba kejing trailang ba kejing kershan ki kam startup. Habakran ke jingelang u ambassador ke UAE Shikari India UE Al Shali ula banjur ba ke UAE ke yang scam ha kabai dei ba ke jing sang kam lajong ba ke jing penmi ke but rekam ke bathamai ke belong markeliang ula ong baleng ba ke senjam ke UAE India SEPA Council ke persang mepne so ya ke jing pro ajabiang jinginong sangkam bat kari UAE ban kentiu ke jing ya linti jongki ha ban penyar ke kam bat banwara ke jing dei ke bejan ha padang kini ki artli giri Hagini kejingelang kala dandru kejinge soy ya ke saskular hapadeng ke UICC bagi jaka pulih ke bapaunam ke bekentup ru ya ke Prime Meghalaya hapo jong ke Meghalaya Basin Management Agency ke Ideate Lab at OP Jindal Global University bat ke Jamia Hamdard.
On top of the roundtables, we've decided to launch the Startup Series for the UAE India SEPA Council. This will be a platform where promising startups will sign up. And then they'll be vetted and narrowed down to 20 startups that we'll bring here to Delhi From there, we'll have a jury that they will be the judges of these potential startups. Then it will be narrowed down to 5 finalists who will then receive a package, a soft landing package to visit the UAE and have the experience and the exposure of the ecosystems that we have in the UAE. And hopefully they'll expand their horizons, they'll gain experience from it, and from there, they'll have opportunities to further enhance their business in India, go towards the UAE, and hopefully go into the Middle East and North Africa region. At any stage, any scale, at the moment, yes. It's open to all startups.
There's a lot of work that is being done when it comes to the large corporations or the big companies. They're already established, they have the market access, and the challenge today is to make sure that the startups have a fair shot, and India has one of the largest startup ecosystems around the world, so it makes perfect sense that we should be paying special attention to them. We actually have a specific article in the SEPA 13.2 which speaks about startups and basically supporting startups to be able to expand. All sectors. So we have seen other Indian startups being in the UAE, like Policy Bazaar, Ultra Human, but we have also seen hospitality, and we have seen healthcare, and we have seen also stuff related to beauty, for example. So there's no limit, and when I say there's no limit, it's literally no limit. The future in driving bilateral trade, especially non-oil bilateral trade, is in making sure that those startups, they get a fair shot, they get market access, they get to expand their business, and that will contribute to all of the numbers that we see between the two countries.
Nang sa pagi nam taki wai pat ki khubor ngin son phai shipor hadin gini kijing penmana. Hashwa begini petang ki kubor kebenangsa yang pekan mau biang kimat berkongsan jangko kubor mentah ketayo. Kerpat Menteri Rang Bak Kejelai kesengsan pertai ban berkat biang menekim meta hago all party meeting halor kelempiran. Penperak seng halang bak kipat bak kiyeng dekat KBN daki karbi. Mi jendat ke MDC bak bersyajar kejing betup langnya ke supplementary demand hakamang tengkang. Perangut kibasyakem halor kejincak penyap Uraja Raguvanshi. Adu Shpotlik Agency IY Tok Bat Artlik Agency ke IY Kali Jangkiru Shimet ya kinong jengok kai plafai. Da kejing kemen bat jing song sarong lak yang buram ya kasamna refiners warjeri ke bakiau Shakliar Ulum Everest. Bat live kendai keluar tam sama Menteri Rang Bak Sports Association ban penkreat na kebentakan National Games Arhajar Apunyo. Hadian beladap bansna penbah ke ban longru kum kejing penwandor hakani kejok ke bamenta. Rengkat kejing bo iki kor kibor. Hagasni balang jeng ketayau lapli ke Williamson Sangma Meghalaya State Museum kabladap mansna penbhak nang bahkan kring iki nong wan jeng okai pertai syakini ke museum. Ni kejaka ke belabo ban peninam ya ki jong ubarim baja ke bedai bat ke jelam Meghalaya.
Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together as we welcome our Honourable Chief Minister to unveil the plaque marking the grand opening of the Williamson Sangma Meghalaya State Museum.
Yakni ke Williamson Sangma Meghalaya State Museum kebeladap bansna penbah mentah lapli do Menteri Rang Bak Kejelau Konrad Kongkal Sangma rengkat kejingan lang Menteri Ketenat Arts and Culture Wak Polendo Menteri Ketenat Boarding Eti Mondal kihe officer sarkar bat kiwe-kiwe kibla syakot ngobha. Yakni ke museum kadai kebala design ne penwandor thamai kat kum kene kejuk ke pemerintah. Bat penlong ki breu ki belit jengo ekane ke museum bakin sngo tenat bat yo aru ki jingnang jingtep ki bakongsan hagi benta beper. Haba kerana ke jingalang ke bala penlong House Sotham Auditorium. Ukorat Kongkal Sangma ulang bah kepor bulalet yakasin ke benengkong ekane ke museum agas nam Arhajar Khatra. Uladap dak jing sngosi. Ndrai menta udap dak jing sngo sarong bani iba hadu katno kilala ban peniak cekmat ya kejing pun bahaya ke museum. Ulang bagani ke museum kam dei tak kejing tei dari kalong ru pun kejing pla ke baim ya kejing long tenrai jong jat ben riau ke jela kejing tebet jongki bat ikalawai banang wan. Menteri Rangba ulang bagani senjam ke shibenta jong kejing ijingai ban rakhe ban bo kejing tho bat ban penek pensa kejing ruspa ke jela ya kejing dan jeng em kibarem jong kalariti rengkat ba kejing kentio ya koyok kokon. Uliah tu ru bakatrat pulih putih kan sepinmi ya kejing betha ban pelongkong san ya berogi kena pulih bagi di melet jengok ya dengan museum. Ban penengam ya kejing sotu aki syapang kalariti ba kejing ya ro hapdeng jong kisapna. Nalor kene ulang ba kesorkar kan satai ya kum kene ke museum hakeleng kebenta jong kejela kebat sedang syua natura bat an sabeteng pat aki bagi district kiba kongsan jong kejela. Kawai kena akan thai wala kadang dantang arpos nam kerta. Ndrai kalale ke kebelawan ra anam bat buram ya kejela. Ha kaba kalaki pendap ulum tha Mount Everest. Ha ba kani kena kelawan pai sya kejela lajong da kejing job lap diang buram ya ka ha ka kat lingsun chilang airport kabadan umroi ha ke distrik Riboy. Kalong sisya kejing sengo sarong ke bakrau amtang ki bahayang bahasam ne tang ya kejela Meghalaya. Ndrai bat kejela kabadan ha ka than stadium ini. Agak kesamla Revenes Wajri Arpos Namkarta na Meghalaya galak ban kieu pendap ulum bajrong tam hak pertai Mount Everest agak kat patrik jemang arhajar orkusan lengba kejing sim benta joka hak NCC Mount Everest Expedition arhajar orkusan ka Revenes Wajri na kejela Meghalaya lembat kiwe NCC cadet berkentuk biasan ngut kishenrang berkentai kilala ban job akan expedition ban kieu yu ulum walah pring shibun kejing ke bakrau ke baki lamat hagan ke NCC Mount Everest Expedition arhajar arpusan. Ndrai kejing sarong bat kejing kemen kalong bah ka khat pratrik ujemang kene kenhuan lambak kene kesamla na Meghalaya kilala ban kiu. Ha kejungan pai jong kesamla Revenes Wajri ha ka arpui trik jeliu kebelawan pai shala kejong kejela lapriang buram ya ka ha ka kat lingsun Shillong Airport ho umroi. Agak belas seki kejungan pediang buram daga kenhuan jong ka 61 Meghalaya Girls Battalion NCC belalam kemat do Major AG Wajri kum ka Administrative Officer lambat ki megi pa ki bahagiang kesengkur Wajri nalor kibai-kibai.
Pilaya wan pediang sobha ani recommend bangawan ru da kajing job na benta ka jela la jong bana benta ka yang kesam bana benta baru ahi de na kadau jong pi bangan sawan ni da kajing job pulai shibun te ngamla kham da sungu ningkong yublei namar klema u shisha ngamla shisha bangan ki te ulon ma u Everest shisha ulong shisha u bajuan u ba renga klem give up te kulai shibun pi baro te ngai kublei ru ke NCC kabala ay nga kani kalat ka kabuk siar bangan la ban mat ikini ki baro mo kum ki lalong ki sports mo kum baong te ngamla klem das ngongu ru ya ga ba ye bahing hasam jonga imei pa ki bala sha nga bangan wan bangan le kum ya kani ga balong is between life and death ru tamba ki la shanya shisha nga bangan sala bangan wan ru ga jing jap kadung smo comment e te kulai shibun e pi baro ba pilaya I men siam nga support nga badan kalam ba ha yang hoi ka jingkyu yu te ulum Everest ngan ong yu pi kalong shisha ka ba e tamba nga klem give up nga klem randien ndai ke ka jing pen kan ma yang ban ai men sim ru ka dei na pi baro hi kum nei mei pa ki baju ai men sim nga kanu ngalong excited por bang dang ya ngong lanu bang dep nang ni man wan pai ngan yo call siyeng ba ong bang I did it. That's the most mo kaba happy for me nong happy moment te nga yaki samla baro ro nga ko ban kuntu ba yake ke ba phile shanya hala di kham tam na marba na phim shanya yala di phim te ke ka ba ke ka man salong e te shisha kamlong ka basuk ha ka jing em jing nginget ba kamlong shisha ka basuk hendai phim dei ban sulong kut no ha ke ka lada phiso tho ba ka e na phin kut no tang hang ta hendai phin long positive yala di shanya scam ho blai but kan yat hi kam ta hi kumbang aro nga shanya scam ho blai but nga yat da ka jing nge ba ka jing shanya ha ta da nga sala bang pendam.
See, there's no dearth of potential in the Northeast. Our children are very, very good. But what they have is a latent potential. So unless, somebody, identifies them and grooms them, because our children here, they don't come on their own and say that, I'm good in this, I'm good in this. You have to pinpoint the latent potential which is there. Every child of this state has got a latent potential. It's just the grooming which is required. And that is where the NCC comes into play. When we look at a child, we look at you'll be looking at her as a student. We don't look at her as a student. We look at her as a potential youth leader. So when we see her talent, that innate talent, we try to polish it. And, for Cadet Refiners to achieve such a momentous achievement, it is the hard work of the officers and the stars of Battalion, 61 Meghalaya Girls Battalion NCC. We groom her and then we send her. And then, of course, I will not, fail in my duty to comment on the role which is being played by the principal of St. Anthony's College, as well as the ANO of the college, Lieutenant Dayomika, because you see, in NCC, when we detail a cadet, we have to pass through 3 phases. One is the selection phase from our side, and then we have to motivate the cadet, motivate the institute in which the college, because that many classes has to be spared by the college. And then last, it is the parents that we have to motivate, because for something as big as Mount Everest, we cannot send a child unless that child has got the blessings of her parents. So it is a very, very proud moment. She is the youngest, Refinus is the youngest one who's the thing, and she'll be a beacon of hope, for all the children, that a child from this place can also dream big, can dream big. She can achieve her dreams, and she has to work hard. The hard work put in by the cadet is insurmountable. She has put in lots of effort to achieve such this thing. Though I was expecting it, but it's a very tedious, arduous process in selection. In my first posting here also, I had motivated few cadets, but unfortunately that time they passed out the last phase. So I'm very, very happy that she was able to do it. For the parents, it must have been a very a moment of tension, because for an officer like me also, sending a child to Mount Everest, it is also a very it's a very big responsibility that I'm taking, because but at the end of the day, for any big moment like this, there has to be sacrifices, and I'm very happy that the parents supported her. Otherwise this would have not been possible. I'm always reminded of the poem, baro ubri wastat mano bala benden laklem da play kalat kumnu unlak ben kren. Opportunities are there everywhere. It's for a child to take in and grab. There is no dearth of potential in Meghalaya. I've seen the children. This is my second posting. I've seen the children. There's no dearth of potential here. It's just the will, that I can be, the best version of myself. And once they have that in the heart, there's no stopping them. Every child has got a right to dream, and it is a parent's responsibility to, be their wings, behind them so they can fly higher.
Kumshi bentar jong kejing ikun persya kejing di bat kejing kayi be anyu drugs. Hagasing balang jong ketoyo ke office terekam jong district sports officer bat district social welfare officer jong ke district Riboy. Kila penlong ya kejing ko mare neka marathon ke basan kilometer haga thai nong po haga babon ngot kilawan bani shim bentar. Kum kadak jong kejing teli persya ya kejing di drugs bat kejing kayi be an haga arpusan terik jeliu arajar arpusan. Ke office terekam jong district sports officer jong ka district Riboy rengka kejing terilang bat ka office district social welfare officer jong ka district Riboy kila penlong ya kejing mare marathon ke pasan kilometer ban suto padba halor kejing ma na kini kejing di penkuat ya kini ke program na penlong ru kumshi benta ban buat ya kathong jong ka Nasha Mukt Bharat Abhiyan bala kershan da katanat social justice bat empowerment ya kini ke marathon na sedang na saidan bala penkuat hak NSCA Hall Leng Kedat. Haga Malaysia mentashit reham di Samla bikirang ba na kaleng ke distrik tentup di Samla di kena school di klub Shnong bat kiwe-kiwe. Kani ke program ketemu ban pensepriang ya kejing sutu syapang kejing ma na kejing di pembuat bat ban pencelur kurkom im ke bakat bakya ke balang drugs. Ikong NF Sun ibadai district social welfare officer ke Riboy ilapan hera kelama bat sedang yang marathon haga ba ilapan pa bagalong kebadan kam menet trelang bat bani shimpentak imlang salang bani kun ni kene kejing e kabanang roy ha kejing penan kam baklai drugs kam tam ha pening samla kebata kata shikadai e imlang salang kam tam ya kakot kakya jong dipat ba bat kabalak ta mat yong yaki babon kilong yeng. Komisi Bentaman Kershan ke Sports Association yang senjuk elakai ke jela bagian long kebelapan karya bat pentebit bahaya ladi. Na kebenta Malaysia benta ke National Games kabalai pekundai ke banlong hak jela Meghalaya hak senam arajar arpunyo. Hak sibar juga tayo Menteri Rangba ke jela Konrad Kongkal Sangma ulasa meka grant in aid ke bakot lai pekundai Klurtam. Syakini ke senjuk elakai ke jela hak jingelang ke belalong hak State Convention Center hak nong ba Shillong. Ya kini kejing rap isa ke bakot live kundai klur kat nyulak untuk pusat fajar tengka la ajki kenun elakai ke Meghalaya ke bakentut ke Meghalaya State Olympic Association bat ki arpun ru League Sports Association bakin penkreat nak benta ke National Games arajar arpunyo. Abakran ke jingelang Menteri Rangba ulong bakajing temu ke bakongsan juga ke jingelang kelong man sedang no ikam kijam man penkreat nak baai ke jingkershan pisa ya ki senjuk elakai ke jela. Ulong bakai ke bapenlong kerpang ya kene kejingelang kedai namar bakalong hakasian ke benengkong hakari baik kejing kershan pisa la ai bet ceki senjuk elakai bad la ai la loid senjuk elakai bakin syemekarai ke pabhatam kum no badan kami kene ke pisa kat kum kejing.com jengki Konrad Kongkal Sangma ulong bakin program kamde atang mat ai jingerap ke pisa regedai rucapang kejing syania bat ke sorkar kelapan kam ti kejing ket klia hagi senjuk elakai daga bangit scam baki tep kam bhai ke baki deban le Menteri Rangba ula buru ikatong ikisenjuk elakai bigidai bandan ikatong ban kur hadok san pauteli kita kema haka National Games ke banlong ke Meghalaya. Menteri Keterat Elakai ke Jelau Pak Syaklir Warjri ulong bagani ke digesngi ke bansa akan mau ke history jong ke Jela. Namar bagade ke ke ba 4 Juai menu ru ya kum kani ke kerdan jong ke jingkershan bar ke jinglat luat ik senjuk Elakai. Hagani kesngi Menteri Rangba ula ajing yarap basilak tengka na ketenat Elakai ke samla refiners Warjri ke badi ke kentai ke bedang kena atam ke bahakerta ke ba arposnem ke lakiau yu Mount Everest. Bad ulapan menaru ban saai sanlak tengka lengba ke Chief Minister's Special Grant.
Never ever happened in the history of our state. In fact, if you look at the artificial turfs for football that are coming up, we'll be having close to 50 artificial turfs throughout the state. That is the largest number any state has in the country. We are very happy, and I do take this opportunity to thank the Indian Olympic Association, the chairperson, Madam P.T. Usha, and of course our Honorable Home Minister, Mr. Amit Shah, and our respected Sports Minister for having given the opportunity to Meghalaya to host the 39th National Games. I also would like to mention to you that today's program is something that's very special and very, very unique. And I'm sure that others have said it before, but I want to repeat it again so that you realize how important this decision that we're taking is. We are today here to tell you that we are going to be giving the funds to you, to the associations. Let me tell you, not to point fingers at any other state government or the past games, but in the past games, the governments would, spend the money to buy the equipment and then give the equipments to the associations. The government would then get the coaches and give the coaches to the associations and pay for the coaches. Maybe this is the first time in the history of the country that a state government is actually going to give the funds to the associations. And we are going to be making you part of the decision making because we realize that you know best.
Bat katong ila poi ko bokot jone thuk ko bar jingi menta ke janmiet ngin sia siam dang ba filashim tayo ko jogasni bat ha ko por. Shiboni ko por jengki